switching to FreshBooks and dreading the thought of manually entering dozens of clients? Good news, you can import them all at once using a simple CSV file. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This is a massive time saver during setup. The key is preparing your CSV file correctly so FreshBooks can read it without errors. First, in FreshBooks, go to the Clients section and look for an Import option. You'll likely be prompted to download a template CSV file. Use this. It shows you the exact column headings FreshBooks expects. Fill in the template with your client data, names, emails, addresses, and save it. Then, go back to the Import tool, upload your file, and map the columns to ensure the data goes to the right places. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: clean your data first. Before importing, check for and remove duplicate clients, standardize name formats, and ensure email addresses are valid. A little prep work prevents a big mess in your new system. Just like that, you've populated your client list in minutes, not hours, and you're ready to start invoicing. What's the biggest data migration hurdle you faced when switching software? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.